Hi, my name is Zihao,
And I'm Peter.
and this is our submission for the Congressional App Challenge.
Kids all around the country were having difficulty keeping track of assignments and staying motivated to complete assignments on online classes, where it's really hard to know what may be due, and it's hard to keep track of all these new assignments in an online environment.
So in response to that, we created the Schedule Planner, a daily planning app designed with students in mind.
Schedule Planner was created in order to allow students to stay organized and motivated through school, especially through the challenges of remote learning. So here's our app with our title, Schedule Planner, and the logo there. We have a splash screen and a little quote. And you'll see on the home screen here, this is where we have most of our functionality. We'll have this edit text here where we can enter our tasks. Of that, press this plus button. It adds us to this list here. You can see we can select it individually, or we can enter another task. Excuse that typo. And we can multi-select. You can individually select, and we can also multi-select and delete. So a lot of good functionality there. And then we have our settings page where you can customize almost everything about the app that we have. And here we have our motivation page. There's some motivation to just get you through the day. And every time you refresh it, it'll give you a new quote. And it's just something to keep people in a positive mindset and think about all those tasks you got to be doing. And here's the meetings. And you can store all of your class links for online meetings where you Zoom, Google Meet, what have you. And you see this link actually works here. And yeah, I mean, it's not an actual meeting, but yeah, that's the main functionality of our app.
So moving on to the actual programming of the app, we did all our coding inside of Android Studio, which is the application that you see here in the background. Using XML, we made all the front-end changes to the app, and you can see a live view here, which just matches exactly what it shows on the Android emulator that we showed before. And you can see there are different layout fragments. Each one of these XML file represents a different screen on the app. So moving on to the backend and the logic itself, we use Kotlin, which you can see all the files here. The Kotlin files provide actual functionality to the app, which allows it to actually do things. So for debugging, we used Logcat. So Logcat shows you any potential errors you might be facing or any processes that may be ongoing. So it was a really efficient way for us to figure out what was wrong with our code and fix it really quickly. We hope that our app will keep students and professionals all around the world focused, engaged, and motivated in their work. Thank you.